Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use the GasBuddy app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use the GasBuddy app. How do you actually go ahead about using it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So for me, I use GasBuddy pretty simply. It's this app right over here. So if you want to go and install it, you can go into the App Store and search for GasBuddy. Now, when you first open it, this is what it looks like. There's a lot of ads, but you could ignore most of all of that. What I normally do is I like to click on Find Gas, and it's automatically usually going to be sorted by distance and price. So if you click on the top left-hand corner, you can see all the filtering options when it comes to GasBuddy. So you can filter it by price, deal price, distance, price and distance, and deal and distance. If I'm locally driving, I'll normally set the filter to price and distance. So with this, it's going to show you the best price and the closest gas station to you. So for example, we have this one at Conoco, which is at $4.67. Now, if I'm out traveling, let's say I'm going on a road trip and I'm covering like larger distances, normally I'll click on the filtering option and I'll filter it by price, just because I don't mind how far I'm driving. And so you can see this one here is about 1.75 miles away and the gas price is $4.35. So GasBuddy will show you the lowest price and as well as the highest price, and it also shows you the spread, meaning like what's the actual price difference. Something to consider is that if the lowest price is $4.35 and the highest price is like $4.50, then the spread's only going to be like 15 cents. It may not be worth sorting by price. So instead, you may want to just sort by distance and just get the closest gas station near to you. Now, once you decide on which gas station you want to go ahead and go to, you can actually go ahead and click on the gas station and it'll show you the regular, mid-grain, premium, and diesel pricing. You can report different prices if you tend to see a different price compared to like what's being listed onto here. And it'll show you the address, it'll show you when it's open, and with that you can see all their amenities. So this gas station has a car wash, air pump, propane, and you could also pay at the pump as well. Now, if you do decide to go here, you can go into the map section, you can zoom out to see where it is. And then once you're ready to actually go ahead and navigate there, you could actually click on directions. So with these directions, you could actually go ahead and see and start your directions. So right now I'm using Apple Maps, and with that, I'm just going to go ahead and go back. You can just go ahead and start the directions and navigate towards that gas station. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the GasBuddy app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.